Hey guys, let's go over the schedule. Good morning guys. What are we working on today? Well, let's look at our list.
Is that even up to date? All the to-do things are complete.
None of this is even on the Trello board anymore.
Do you guys have a better option? Good morning team. What are we working on today?
Well, I created a new whiteboard for Jumpstart activities.
So this follows our Trello board very closely, as we can put our project here, we can assign a person to it easily, and then we can identify the task that needs to be done.
We can also list miscellaneous items and when we're out of the office, on vacation.
Great job team. We are doing great at staying organized.